You can earn up to $500 by completing these simple steps. Are you ecstatic to learn about these procedures? Have no fear, just keep watching and make sure you don't miss out on anything. I'll teach you how. Simply grab your phone and go right to the Google Play Store and download this app for free as soon as possible. All of a sudden, you'll be able to take home at least $500. Assume that you can earn this bag with no selling, no video, and only a minimal setup. From start to finish, this is a really quick and easy process that takes only a few minutes of your time. It doesn't matter where you are. If you have a mobile phone though, you can make that amount right now. Right now, I'll be giving you tips to even double or triple your money. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. FOAP, which is essentially an app that holds a massive collection of millions of various high-performance and high-resolution photographs. It's the first step that you may do to make money online today. There are essentially two sorts of FOAP apps. First and foremost, there are those who want to buy a variety of photos on a daily basis, and hundreds of thousands of people who use photo apps to look for new photos to buy. The seller in the second group on the picture app, and he or she is essentially selling images through the app. This is exactly how you may make money from it. You won't have to do any of the photography on your own either. You won't need any graphic design skills, you won't be required to have any tech concerns, and you won't be asked to go on camera. Keep watching because I'll show you some exclusive websites where you can get a lot of things done for you. Photographs that are automatically re-uploaded and posted on the app. Go to this website and click on this link to learn more. With the 4 creator buttons in the upper right column, click the Submit Your Brand Brief button and Sell Your Content button. It will take you to this page where you may learn how to generate money with your images and movies. If you have an iOS or Android device, you may download a full app. Using an Android phone, simply search for the FOAP app on the Google Play Store. If you're going to use this logo, make sure you acquire the right one. To download the FOAP app for free, if you have an iPhone, head to the App Store. Without further ado, I'd like to show you the entire library of the FOAP app website. As you can see, there are a lot of high-resolution and high-quality images for sale on this website, and they're generating a lot of money passively. What's more amazing and cool about this app is that even if you upload the photos on this platform, in the next few days or the following day, you will still be able to receive commission and money from this website because the photos that you upload and post are full, and every single month, millions of visitors go on to browse around shopping for different photos to purchase, and you have to take note of this. You are not required to create anything or take any photos. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. Assume that this is one of the photos that's being sold on the website. A price of $20 is usually stated on every photo. Another example of a photo with the same $20 price tag can be found here. And given that the images are not as inexpensive as you assume, you might be thinking, how much money can you make right now from this website? You may make money from your films and photos by posting them on the internet. It's worth noting that you'll get a share of a profit. Your account gets 50% of the money, and 50% of the money goes to the whole account. Because they'll automatically sell the image for you, they'll receive 50% of your profit. So it's alright, but it's pretty cool since FOAP app is a well-known platform. They work with a lot of famous businesses and have millions of visitors. Therefore, they'll automatically assist you in marketing and selling the different images you publish on this website. So you don't have to do any of the hard work yourself. All you have to do is upload your photos to this platform and you'll be able to make money on the side. Also on this page, I want to show you something super cool. You can now do a lot more than just sell your photographs, and you can do a lot more than just selling them. This task, for example, has a monetary reward of more than $50. The monetary reward for this quest is $600. Weekly, you can join different missions and quickly post different images based on the team supplied when you submit different photos, giving you stand a chance to win and earn real money. In terms of functionality, you may now go to shutterstock.com, which is similar to Photoshop. Every day, people come here to buy a variety of photos. You might be the one to join and post some quality photos on Shutterstock too, because they have a vast collection of diverse high-quality and high-resolution pics. As a result, you may now make hundreds of dollars by uploading photos into the Picture app. You'll make more money if you sign up for more websites because some users will go to the phone app to purchase your photographs. There will be also some users who will use this strategy to make a purchase at Shutterstock. We may effectively make money by copying and pasting the other photos into our website. It's time to get started. All you have to do now is return to this website and sign up for a free account by clicking on this button once again. To create a free account, all you have to do is enter your email address and choose a password. Here are a few websites where you may get high-resolution photographs for free. Shopify is the exclusive provider of this service. You may find a variety of high-resolution and high-quality photos on our website. There are numerous categories from which to pick from. They're exceptional quality, as you can see here. And the best part is that you don't have to put any money into it. All of these are images that we can just download with one click of a button using our phone or computer. There are a lot of pictures here that you may download in either high or low resolution, but I may strongly advise you to download the high resolution images in order to get paid on many websites and make even more money. There is a second choice that you can choose from, so that's why I chose Pickwizardcom. On this website, you can also get a wide range of high-quality and free stock images, including over 1 million outstanding high-resolution photos. This is a far more time-saving and efficient way. Let's say I click on this image and it takes me to this page instead. From there, by clicking on any of the download icons, I can download this to my phone or computer. After that, you'll need to use the Phobe app to upload the photo to Shutterstock. On a daily basis, I may be receiving various royalty commissions and passive income. That's it for now. And that's everything! Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.